Hey everyone, welcome to Swap Path. Today, we're diving into 10 things nice guys always do wrong. And trust me, some of these might surprise you. If you've ever felt like being nice isn't getting you anywhere, this is for you. Let's get started. 1. You invest more than you get back. Nice guys tend to pour their heart and soul into relationships, whether it's with friends, partners, or even co-workers. They go above and beyond, always showing up, always making an effort. Sounds great, right? Here's the problem. Most of the time, that effort isn't returned. Instead of demanding balance, nice guys accept unfair treatment. They tell themselves, as long as they are happy, I don't mind. But deep down, they do mind. Healthy relationships aren't one-sided. If you're always giving while the other person is just taking, it's not a strong connection. It's a ticking time bomb. 2. You forgive too fast. Forgiveness is great. But nice guys forgive without thinking. No matter how badly someone treats them, they just let it go, over and over again. Imagine a friend constantly canceling plans at the last minute. You're annoyed, but instead of calling them out, you say, no worries. It's fine. But it's not fine. Every time you forgive without accountability, you're teaching people they can treat you however they want. And guess what? They will. So next time, take a step back. Don't just forgive automatically. Set boundaries. And if someone keeps disrespecting them, ask yourself, is this relationship really worth it? 3. You're too available. At first, being available seems like a good thing. You always respond fast, always make time for people, always rearrange your schedule to fit theirs. But here's the harsh truth. People respect what's scarce. If you're always available, they'll start taking you for granted. They'll assume your time isn't valuable. Instead of dropping everything for others, make them wait sometimes. Take your time responding. Keep some plans for yourself. When people see you have your own life, they'll respect your time more and value you more. 4. Your niceness makes people suspicious. This one might surprise you. Sometimes, being too nice actually makes people trust you less. Why? Because people assume you must have an agenda. They wonder, why is this person being so nice? What do they want from me? And if you never express your own thoughts or challenge others, they might think you're just telling them what they want to hear. So be real. Don't just agree to avoid conflict. Say what you actually think, and people will respect you for it. 5. You bottle up resentment. Here's what happens when you give too much, forgive too much, and never set boundaries. Resentment builds. Nice guys often feel like they are being taken advantage of, but instead of addressing the issue, they swallow their frustration. Until one day, it all explodes. Don't let it get to that point. Speak up early. If something is bothering you, say something. Set clear expectations. Because the truth is, people don't know they are crossing your boundaries if you never tell them. 6. You apologize too much. Nice guys say, I'm sorry for things they shouldn't even feel guilty about. Sorry for taking up space. Sorry for expressing my opinion. Sorry for setting a boundary. The more you apologize, the more you train yourself to feel like a burden. And worse, your real apologies lose meaning. Instead of defaulting to I'm sorry, try saying, thanks for your patience. I appreciate your understanding. That's just how I feel. Stand by your words and actions. You don't have to apologize for existing. 7. You keep relationships at the surface level. Nice guys think avoiding conflict makes relationships stronger. But the truth is, disagreements bring people closer. If you're always saying, yes, just to keep the peace, people never get to know the real you. And if they don't know the real you, how can they genuinely connect with you? Don't be afraid to challenge ideas. Have deeper conversations. That's how real bonds form. 8. You ignore your own needs. Nice guys are always focused on other people's happiness. They make sure their friends, partners, and even strangers are taken care of. But they never ask, what do I need? The truth is, you can't pour from an empty cup. Taking care of yourself isn't selfish. It's necessary. Prioritize your needs. When you take care of yourself, you have even more to offer others. 9. You burn out fast. Nice guys put so much effort into relationships that they exhaust themselves. They try to be the perfect friend, the perfect partner, the perfect coworker. But after a while, it's just too much. They start feeling drained, resentful, or even bitter. Here's the fix. Relationships shouldn't feel like work. They should add to your life, not drain you. So stop overextending yourself. Pace your effort. If a relationship is healthy, it won't fall apart just because you take a step back. 10. You're afraid to say no. Nice guys say yes to everything, even when they don't want to. Covering extra shifts at work. Helping someone move on their only day off. Going along with plans they don't even enjoy. Why? Because they don't want to seem rude. But here's what happens. The more you say yes to things you don't want to do, the more frustrated you become. Saying no doesn't make you a bad person. It makes people respect you. So practice saying, "I can't today. I have other plans. That doesn't work for me." No excuses, no over-explaining. Just know, being nice isn't the problem. The problem is when your kindness comes at your own expense. If you recognize these habits in yourself, start making changes today. Set boundaries. Speak up. And most importantly, respect yourself first. Which of these points hit home for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. This is Swap Path. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.